Helicopter recovery procedure. Now let's step through the procedure for recovering a helicopter. Prior to the scheduled recovery time, flight quarters is set. Once the flight deck personnel have arrived on station, the same tasks are performed as those for launching a helicopter. The flight deck nets are lowered and the flight deck lighting is checked to ensure it is working properly. After the FOD walkdown is complete, and once the firefighting party is stationed, manned and ready is passed to the bridge. When all preparations are completed, the tower reports to the bridge, ready for recovery. The bridge gives the tower a green deck signal, and green deck is passed over the 1MC. The HCO announces over the 5MC that the helicopter is on approach. As the helicopter makes its approach, the LSE directs the pilot to the landing direction. Once the helicopter is over the deck, the LSE gives the hover signal and then gives the signal to land. When the helicopter has landed, and when requested by the pilot, the LSE signals the chalk and chain personnel to install the chocks and chains on the aircraft. Once the helicopter is chalked and chained, the LSE signals the pilot, tie downs installed, and gives the hold signal. The tower requests permission to set red deck from the bridge. Once red deck is granted, the flight deck status light changes from green to red. When prepared for disengagement and shutdown, the LSE ensures that the wheels are chalked, personnel are clear of the rotors, and the tie downs are properly installed. Once the checks are complete and once amber deck is set, the LSE signals the pilot to disengage the rotors and shut down the engines. Once the aircraft is secured, flight quarters is secured.